Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and apply one of the cheapest iPhone 12 Pro Max case and screen protector bundle from ESR. Let's begin. So it costs around $13.99 at Amazon. Here we have two screen protectors, two cleaning cloth, some instruction manuals, and we have the clear with black grip case. So let's apply it on my husband's iPhone 12 Pro Max. We have the cleaning cloth. And apply the back casing. And this is what it looks like after the application of the case and screen protector set. I will also use one of the extra screen protectors on my phone if it fits with the OtterBox commuter case. Overall, it fits right and it looks okay. There's like one bubble right there that we're trying to get rid of. and also on the other one on my husband's phone, as you can see. That's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell icon for more upcoming videos. Bye!